Oh. Hello everyone, my name is Johan, and I'm going to show you guys about the hoist. This machine is used to lift cars and do work underneath, tire removal, etc. By the end of this video, you guys will be able to use this tool as well as I can. So, before you start, you must have also safety rules. First, you must wear safety goggles because if something goes wrong, you don't want to hit your eyes or anywhere your goggles protected. Second, you must not wear loose or baggy clothing because it can get in the way as personal protective equipment. You must also wear closed-toed shoes because, again, it's personal protective equipment. And the rest of the rules we'll talk about as we go on. So first, we have to put the arm on the correct lifting points. We push this one on. There's lifting points here, and I'll show you after we lift the car. Oh. Now that the points are in spot, you must look for any frayed wires, any leakages anywhere. If you see any, you must immediately report it to the code. Okay, everything was good. So, when you start lifting, you must shout clear so that anyone in the area will know and stay out of the path. Clear! Once you're ready about that, you must push on the front to see if it's tipping anyone up. And just look around to see if it's tipping because you don't want it to fall. Also, when you stop pressing this, you must wait 3 seconds because the car will jump up and multiply the weight 2 to 3 times more than this machine can handle. That is the weight the machine can handle. So now we have to lift this car up to 3 logs. Clear! That sound that you heard is the lock going in place. So even if the electricity is all gone, it'll still fall into that lock and stay in place. Now, clear! That's the third lock. I'm going to break it down to that third lock. Clear! Now we're on the lock. So even if the power goes out, any issues happen, the car will always stay in this place because it's safe to feature design. Now we're going to lift it. Alright, I just want to show you guys where the pinch twists go, where you put these arms on. So you see this strip of metal. This is reinforced metal so that when this lifts, this won't break and the plastic could be removed. On some cars, when this is completely corroded with rust, you might put it on here. These are used when these pinch points, is what they're called, are corroded. On Teslas or sometimes luxury brands, you might see a hockey puck shaped thing on the sides or where you want the arms to go. I'm going to lift this up and bring it all the way back down. Clear! Take the safety release. Just push it down this time. Take this and push it all the way down. This release. Clear! Thank you everyone for watching my video. This is how you use the hoist, and if you have any further questions or inquiries about other machines, you can just check my channel. Thank you.